Good morning, evening, day, whatever it is you're watching this. I am Tammy with Sandy Toes Nose, and I'm here to give my testimony on Learn and Earn Profits online. Okay, sorry if it's a little bit windy. I'm on the beach this morning. I can do this because I don't have a 9 to 5 anymore. I do not. Yes. Learn and Earn Profits Online. What it is a course that is going to teach you digital marketing and is going to teach you master resale rights. Okay? If you're not sure what it is, here you go. Master resale rights is you buy a digital product. With that product, you are going to get the master resale rights for that product. Okay? Which means that you have the right to resell the product. And guess what? You keep 100% of the profits. You do. You keep it 100%. So you need to learn, and earn profits online. Sorry, helicopter. There you go. Um, Learn and Earn Profits Online. It is a step by step course. It is going to teach you how to set up your online business from start to finish. It is going to teach you how to brand your business. It is going to give you all these great little social media hacks. It is going to give you the knowledge that you need to be successful in an online business and to do master resale rights. Okay, master resale rights. You buy a product, a digital product, you make sure there's master resale rights on it. You can resell that product as many times as you want. Okay, but you have to resell it for the same amount that you bought it or more. You can pick your poison. Pick how much you're going to resell it for. But it has to be more than what you bought it for. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know about it. I started it on a Tuesday, finished it on a Thursday, started promoting it that Thursday. By the end of the weekend, by Sunday, I had four figures in my bank account because you keep 100% of the profits. Okay, I'm going to say it again. You keep 100% of the profits. It is a game changer. It is going to change the way everybody does digital marketing. And you're in at the beginning. Get in now. Don't miss the boat. You won't be sorry. Learn and Earn Profits Online. That's the key. Get in. See ya.